one thing that should finally change is the speed with which things are made to happen. And I'm sure we all appreciate and we understand that clinical trials are complex to organize, especially across greater numbers of jurisdictions and with an ever greater focus on precision treatments. And of course, it's important to ensure safety, right? But when it comes to embracing and rolling out new technologies and better ways of doing things, our sector is still way too slow. And if I may say, paying, in my opinion, a little too much lip service as well. And I say all this because, Deloitte's study just in January this year is the latest example of how a relatively fortunate sector is quite happy to accept what I think they highlighted as a 1.2% return on investment on pharma R&D. Okay, that's the lowest level in 13 years that they've been tracking this. And why is this happening? Because yet again, longer cycle times mean that the average cost of bringing a drug to market has now ballooned to $2.3, $2.5 billion, something like that. And the average forecast peak sales have also decreased again to less than $400 million per drug. And to me, if actually we could properly, quickly use these latest generation data and privacy tech, Fitfile is only one example. There's so much cool stuff out there that can be championed by sponsors. So we can get better feasibility information to lead to more precise recruitment. We can get faster trials, longer patent protected revenue periods, frankly, benefiting patients who can get access to those treatments sooner. Or synthetic control arms, right, which can deliver more compelling evidence, or long-term follow-up is started earlier and with richer, more compelling evidence. All of that stuff has a real chance to turn these abysmal clinical trial performance stats around and really drive the sorely needed transformation in trials and beyond.